You are now tuned in the mind of a trucker. So today is a Tuesday, the 20th, 2022. The year is almost over with. The month is December. So we here at TA shop at this location. Long story short, could have gotten this damn thing done, DOT inspection, when we got our truck DOT inspected and the oil change done, which was last month, the 25th day. But that's neither here nor there. Somebody dropped the ball on that point. It wasn't me. It was part of the safety department job, but I could have checked too as well. But yeah, that's pretty much more for like the owner operators. Like you have some truck drivers that work with the company that does other things such as that. Like I do as well. It's just that I didn't catch it. But so yeah, basically that bill is ridiculous to what they say was wrong with the damn trailer. Okay, so back to it. Got a little bit sidetracked because I had to go pay for the bill. Not this ridiculous amount that I'm going to let you guys know what the price is. So they wanted at this TA location in Stratford, Missouri, exit 88, Highway Interstate 44. So the price that they quoted, basically damn near everything underneath the trailer needed to be brand new. Brake drums, brakes. The only thing is just not the tires, and who knows, when they would have took off the tires, they said there were some bald spots there too, so that would have had to be changed as well. So we have bushing replacement, plus brake shoe kit. They had the labor, slack adjusters, R&R, so remove and replace the 2 mud flaps. And like, do you really need to remove and replace mud flaps to get to the brakes? Yeah, it's crazy. So the total comes up to, drum roll, grand total of $3,597.49. That is crazy. That comes up to like one of the repair costs with one of the companies I worked with in the past. I think it was damn near a radiator that needed to be changed, and they had to take off the hood and all of that stuff there, and that was damn near that price, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that is crazy. So the company opt out. Shit, I don't blame them either, to just pay for whatever they did, even though it's a failed trailer inspection, and $53.21 compared to that amount, because the company has a shop that they can go to, or people locally that can fix all of that crap for damn near $2,000, if not less. So yeah, that's basically one part of in the mind of a trucker. So it's somewhat not to be unexpected, especially if you've been working with the company for a while, rather than you just hopping out here and getting your own equipment. You're learning some of the pitfalls, knowing that you should have certain things set up, like having a good mechanic and make sure your truck is up to par, and equipment, trailers up to par, and everything else. And you have a shop that you can go to, probably couple, depending on which states you're running through, that you can have a good shop to go to when you're away from home, from your home state. Other than that, hopping out here without having capital or backup, whatever the case may be, is not a good look, especially around these times, because not just the rates that might be shitty, but everybody is trying to, I guess, the phase that we're going through now is trying to destroy most of these small companies, and it's generally, once you get your license if you're fresh and everything else. The smaller companies are the companies you want to work with, because after about 6 months to a year experience, depending on the company, you can find something in the Midwest, preferably Illinois or something like that, or Indiana, that would pay you decent amount, cents per mile. Get your hazmat, or you might not need to, and you can still get up to like anywhere from like 50 to 70 cents. But also too, you can get paid higher in cents per mile and not get the miles. So it's always a give and a take. So that's basically all I want to discuss here for In the Mind of a Trucker. It is tough times, definitely, but 1/2 times have really actually been simple and easy. Hell, even when you have money, you can be the richest person in the world, you can still face tough times. So you're just able to coast through it a lot better than most, because you have more tools at your disposal because of capital and currency, or credit. So that's basically this segment for In the Mind of a Trucker. Hopefully I said something to spark in your mind, to think more or think outside of the box that we've been programmed to think, and make sure you do what works best for you and don't worry about what anybody else thinks, other than yourself, and just go with what is doable and comfortable for you, even though certain things we have to get out of our comfort zone in order to evolve and change. But if you're okay with where you are in life, then how much more material possessions do you need? It's not like you can take it with you when you die. So yeah, so once again, hopefully I said something that sparked in your brain to think completely different, or at least get the ball rolling, to transform or evolve your train of thought. So if you guys out there on the road, hopefully you're watching out for all the smart people. Fresh out the gate, fresh out the truck. See you on another one.